tuberosity. Ischial tuberosity, that is lower end of the ischium. It forms an acute angle with ischiopubic rami. Ischial tuberosity divided by one transverse ridge, or you can say horizontal ridge, into upper part and lower part. Upper part once again divided into two parts by one oblique elevation, or you can say ridge, into superior outer, inferior inner, or you can say superolateral and inferomedial part. Upper half divided into two parts, that is outer and inner, by one midline, or you can say median ridge. Outer part, inner part, or you can say medial part, lateral part. Attachment of ischial tuberosity. Ischial tuberosity that divide into four parts: superolateral, inferomedial, medial part and lateral part. Superolateral part that gives origin to one muscle, that is semimembranosus. Inferomedial part that gives origin to semitendinosus and long head of biceps femoris. Outer and inner part, or you can say medial and lateral part, that gives origin to adductor magnus, that is a hamstring part of the adductor magnus muscle. The part has, you can say it is covered with, it is blank or it is covered with fibrofatty tissue and one bursa. It is very supportive in sitting posture. Margin of ischial tuberosity. Margin of ischial tuberosity, sharp medial margin that gives attachment to sacrotuberous ligament, and sharp lateral margin that gives attachment to ischiofemoral ligament.